I didn't sleep more than 3 hours last night.
I'm gonna play. Long enough to chase away the chatter of my mind. I faded all my lonely days in self-afflicted haze, and I feel fine. Still it breaks me up, it makes me blue, the fact I still need you. You swim within me, please forgive me, for I now know not what I do. I can't sleep without you, I can't sleep without you, baby. Oh no, 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 I can't sleep without you, and I feel weak without you, baby. I love you, love you, love you, yes I do. I traveled around but never found a place that felt like home. Sorry, hold on. I'm terrified of everyone, but still so soft for love. It chills me right down to my marrow. Oh, it breaks my heart each time we part. It's a goddamn shame. For now I know I can't survive alone. I need you and I've only got myself to blame, girl. I can't sleep without you, I can't sleep without you, baby. Whoa, no, 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 I can't sleep without you, and I feel weak without you, baby. I love you, love you, love you, yes I do. Sleep without you by my side. Your love is an oasis, all the world so well that's long since run dry. Take me, baby, guide me bravely through the mire of my fear. Take me, baby, you can save me from myself. No one else can make the darkness disappear, girl. I can't sleep without you, I can't sleep without you, baby. Whoa, no, 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 I can't sleep without you, and I feel weak without you, baby. Won't you come on back to me, ow? So that's that song. Thank you.
What's funny, dude, I played some of these songs for my mom last weekend when she was here, and she remembered more words than I did.
That's pretty awesome.
I guess. She's my only fan. She's my only fan.
Yeah. Marguerite insisted on a burial at sea, so I set sail on her coffin late one day. Hey, bound course to parts unknown, we two were on our way. Sought to see that which could be seen by a lady passed away. It was me and the bones of my sweet Marguerite. Without a warning, morning came and bore a crimson sky. So I suggested we take shelter underneath the waves. I held my darling close and let the breakers break upon us. Then we fell for miles till we reached the floor of what they call the briny deep. To this day there lie the bones of Marguerite. Well, she and I and she were all that we would ever need. A silent world of legend dwelling far below our feet. I performed the duties of the eyes for she who could not see, so she could live through me. Miles and miles and miles below the sea.
There's another guitar here would go.
Oh, it was me in the bones of my sweet Marguerite. Well, Marguerite and me were just as happy as can be, but now my only lonely love dwells far behind. Eyes can see. Maybe someday you will write a casket out for me so I can sleep with Marguerite. Miles and miles and miles below, the miles and miles and miles below, miles and miles and miles below the sea. Oh, 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 oh. That's one. Hear the voices screaming out, bleeding into one. Our minds are all dust now, but wasn't it fun? There's ash in my throat, cinder in my eyes, but I am triumphant, and I am alive. And I believe, I believe that all we see is pure and good and true. So I will pay the pain until the final day comes for me, for you. The philosopher's been hanged, and the Anabaptist slain. I risked my life for love, but it all was in vain. Now there's hope in my heart as I wither away. The best of all possible worlds exists in fighting the mundane, and I believe that all we see is pure and good and true. So I will take the pain until the final day comes for me and for you. I'm totally gonna screw this next one up, but here we go. When you are dead, remember your name. Forsaken days gone by. Try and feel the rain. Wash your demons away. Let go your pain. Embrace the deranged. We're all the same. We're all sons of the stars, we're all daughters of the stars, and we've come too far to depart at the start. Whoa, it's alright, weather the weather, 'cause it's so nice laying together. It's alright, weather the weather, 'cause it's so nice laying together.
Who are your musical influences?
Yeah. What?
Who are your musical influences?
Fin Fang Doom.
Hell yeah!
That was a big one. That was a big one.
Yeah, a lot of people say that.
Yeah.
A lot of people are influenced by that.
Don't Die.
Hell yeah.
Big influence for me. If I'm being honest, though, clearly the Replacements are, I think, they're my favorite band. I feel that they're perhaps one of the greatest American rock bands of all time.
Why?
Because they're fucking honest, man. They're more honest than any other band. They didn't give two fucking shits about pleasing, and at least for the first, 4 albums or 5 albums, like they didn't give two shits about pleasing anybody. Hootenanny is a prime example of a band just like not giving a shit.
Is that your favorite album by them?
In a way, I don't think it's their best album, but it might be my favorite album just because I feel like it's the epitome of a band just like making music for the sake of making music, which I think is pretty fucking awesome. Who else? Who else do I like? Johnny Thunders and the Heartbreakers. Pretty good.
Now you're in a new band these
Weezer.
days. Weezer.
Yeah.
Do you like Pinkerton?
Yeah. Pinkerton is definitely one of the most influential albums for me as a musician. R.I.P. Flowers.
Tell us about R.I.P. Flowers.
Dan's saying that because he's in the band. It's the Beatles with edge. I don't know, man. I don't fucking know. How would you describe it? It's like kind of jangly, right? It's like,
Can't put a name on it.
it's like pop rock, but some of the songs are very punky. I don't know.
You might hear something today.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right.
You think Shade's gonna come?
Brendan definitely is. I don't know for sure if Shade is.
It's alright. I get lost when I follow you. I don't mind. It's the only thing I wanna do. Get me back where I belong. You're the reason I've been young for so long. So long. think I was that okay? That was okay. All right. So I'm not afraid, right? I'm not afraid to make you cry. I'm not afraid to let the love between us die. You sit around hoping I'll change my mind, but I'm not afraid to make you cry. Your face is thin, your eyes are gray, you feel betrayed. Don't play that game. You know I'm right. We're not okay. Alright. I'm not afraid to let you down. I'm not afraid to let what's left burn to the ground. You look at me, hoping I'll make a sound, but I'm not afraid to let you down. Don't make believe that you don't see what I see. Your pain will fade, you'll be remade. There's no need to be afraid. All right, I guess I'll just, there's no, do or do not. It's okay. Alright, here we go. Woo! Please, I don't wanna go. Leave me in the lurch when I'm married to the flow, and I don't wanna live, but I don't wanna die. So come on, let me lie, but don't ask why. Tell me something real, tell me something true. Just getting hard to feel like anything I do means anything at all. So tell me something wrong, 'cause I wanna lose control. Wow. the power to wake up depleted. This is the power of all but defeated. This is the power of all